All right, hey, what's going on? It's Chris with Dreamedia Home Theater, and today's episode is going to be short and sweet. We have a brand new announcement that I'm really excited to let you guys know about. Y'all have been asking for a really long time for a nice, affordable brand to bring on, and I'm happy to announce that we're offering ELAC speakers. So if you guys want to check those things out, highly recommend reaching out to us. In general, I haven't heard too many ELAC speakers just for extended periods of time. That's all going to change. So downstairs I have a ton of ELAC products to let you know about. I have some active speakers, I have some passive speakers, I have a subwoofer, I have an amplifier, I have all kinds of in-wall speakers. So I'm going to be doing testing and tuning with all those different things. We're going to see if they're a good fit for home theater environment, see if they're a good fit for 2-channel listening, and just general around the house, just listening some tunes, see if that's a good fit for you guys. So I'm really happy to do that. I'm gonna be doing some comparisons between brand this and brand that. So ELAC versus, a couple of other brands down the road. But again, all that stuff's coming later onto the channel. If you guys would like to purchase anything home theater related, whether it be, projectors, screens, speakers, any of that stuff, or if you're really into some more of the premium stuff like the hi-fi gear that we've been offering as of late, don't hesitate to reach out, show your support, give us a call. We'll leave our information right down here. You guys can pick up the phone, shoot us an email, whichever way is more comfortable for you. Well, I think that's going to conclude today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure you leave us a big thumbs up, and as well, make sure you're always subscribed. Got nothing else for you. Catch you next time.